When converting from degrees to radians, you're going to want to multiply your angle measure by pi over 180. So here we have 145 degrees. We're going to go ahead and multiply that angle measure by pi over 180. I'm going to go ahead then and convert this 145 into a fraction so that way I can easily see the multiplying of straight across. Now when we multiply straight across, we're just going to go ahead and basically combine the two fractions together, not actually multiplying the numerator by pi, so that way we can easily reduce this fraction by simplifying it to its reduced terms. What I can do is divide both of those by 5, and when I do that, I get 29 pi over 36. And that's as far as it can go to be simplified. So that would be 145 degrees in radian measure.